Instructions on how to replace the blades for the BBQ Shape and Scrape. Remove the wing nut. Remove the U-shaped guide. Squeeze the right and the left arm of the frames together. And back off the screw to release the blades. The package of blades contained 50 pieces. Replace the exact same number of blades you removed. In this case, 4 blades are removed. Flip the scraper upside down and rest the blades on a flat surface. Secure the screw into the slots of the blades and the arm of the frame. Reinsert the U-shaped guide and install the wing nut. Ensure the U-shaped guide is installed correctly. The wing nut should be positioned on the U-shaped end of the guide. Remove the elastic band and make sure the blades slide up and down freely. If not, you may need to remove one additional blade. Happy and safe barbecuing, everyone, and thank you.